Good morning, good morning, good morning mga langga! Happy Friday! So today is Friday. So as you can see, wala tayong makeup today. Ipahinga natin yung ating face because my face is getting stressed na with so much makeup on every day. So pagpahingahin natin siya. Kasi ang dami ko ng pekas, grabe. I have so much pekas and I don't know how to get rid of it. Hindi na sila mawawala, no? Kaya natin siguro it's a sign of aging na rin. Hindi na mawawala yan. Maliban na lang kung papaderma everyday. But we cannot afford to do that. So let's just accept the fact that pekas and other wrinkles is part of aging. Kung ano-anong sinasabi. Nagpapatuyo ako ng buhok mga langga. Sa electric pa na yan. Kaya ganyan yung itsura ko. So don't mind my hair, ha? Kaya natin siyang matuyo because I am going to tie it later. Napakainit kasi. It's too hot. And I cannot handle letting my hair down like this the whole day because it's too hot. It makes my back wet. So I will pull it up like this. I will make a ponytail. So, yan. Mayroong hangin makakapasok sa likod ko. Kasi pag nakalugay siya, basang-basa yung likod ko the whole time, and after it makes me like that. I wish I can speak English. I can speak straight English. I just really don't know how to improve. So maybe speaking English sometimes in the camera can help me develop that kind of skills. I am confident speaking English in my camera because I know not a lot of people is watching my videos. I think there are 10 or maybe not 10, maybe 5 people watching my videos. Don't mind my grammar at all. So don't mind it. Anyway. I am just practicing. I am just trying to build confidence in speaking English. I try. Oh my God, Mary, what are you talking about? You're getting annoying now. Huh? By the way, I eat my bread na. My pandesal for my breakfast. And another food for breakfast. I have the fried rice with vegetables, and this will be my breakfast. And the leftover chicken from last night. So, I think I can survive the whole day. Okay? So, I will see you later. I don't know what's gonna happen today. We have a meeting with our master teacher after class. And, we have meeting after class. So we will go home late today. Oh my God. Okay, I will see you later mga langga. Keep watching. I'm back mga langga. So it's 3 in the afternoon na po. And I'm still here in the school doing some school works. I try to finish my lesson plans for next week para hindi na ako mag-iisip pa ng gagawin. Okay, so kung mayroon mang mga reports na darating or ipapagawa next week, at least I've done with my lesson plan. So yun na lang po. So wala masyadong ganap today. Kanina around 12 in the afternoon, classes was suspended because of the ash holes created by the Taal volcano. So medyo maraming mga kanina, parang may mga abo-abong hindi naman masyadong marami, pero nagpa-fog ba term tawag dun. Okay, so nagsuspend din ng klase, pero hindi namin pinauwi yung mga bata. We wait until our scheduled time, 12:40, before we release them. Kasi pag pinauwi namin ng maaga, kailangan namin i-inform yung mga parents, especially those children that may mga sundo. So hindi namin sila pwedeng palabasin. So para hindi magkagulo ang schedule at hindi kami magkakaproblema sa mga bata, hinintay na lang talaga namin yung time ng uwian nila. Para paglabas nila, andun na yung mga parents na susundo sa kanila. So yun po yung nangyayari today. Walang masyadong exciting today. Wala. Summative test lang ako. Hindi masyado ako napagod. Kasi habang nag-exam yung mga bata, gumagawa lang ako ng ibang mga reports na kailangan kong tapusin. So, yun lang. Walang masyadong nangyayari. At mamayang 4 o'clock, uuwi na ako. Hihintayin ko pala si Jezreel because last I think, Tuesday, pumunta po kami ng cellphone repair shop doon sa may Guadalupe. I paid 800 pesos. And this morning, the cell phone was shut off. It doesn't work at all. Kaya, yun, stress na naman ako. Nasasayang yung pera ko. We will try to bring back the cell phone in the shop and we will ask again the man who do the thing to, I hope he will gonna repair it again, but I doubt it. Yun talaga yung ayaw ko, yung magpapaayos. Really, I don't really I prefer to buy a new one than bringing the phone to the repair shop because sa ilang beses na ako nagpapaayos, wala talagang naaayos. Wala talagang naaayos, as in, imbis na maaayos, lalo pang nasira yung cellphone. Kaya ayaw ko na. And this time, I just try, and this will be the last time na magpapaayos talaga ako ng cellphone. Kasi parang hindi naman talaga nila inaayos. Alam nyo ba yun? Hindi naman nila inaayos. Mas lalo pa yata nilang sinisira yung cellphone. Wala namang mangyayari kahit makipag-away ako doon. Alam mo naman sila, trabaho na nila yan. Hindi nila trabaho mag-ayos, trabaho nilang manira. Yun yung pinaka-goal nila. Na? So, try lang nating dalhin, pero hinanda ko na yung sarili ko. I know what will gonna happen. Hindi niya yun maaayos at lalo lang masisira yung cellphone. But then, try lang natin. Pero hindi na ako talagang nag-expect kasi alam ko na talaga yung mangyayari. Nangyari na yan noon. So, last na yan. Itong pangyayari na to, last na po yan. Oh my God. Cut na si Jezreel. So, we will go to Guadalupe na para magpaayos ng cellphone. I hope I can manage my emotion. Ayokong magalit. Ayokong maging So, kung na lang, kung hindi maayos, hayaan na lang natin. Charge to experience na lang, and I promise to myself this gonna be my last papaayos ng cellphone because really I don't believe and I don't have any trust with those people who are doing cellphone repair in Guadalupe. They are not really good. They are just trying to get some money from you, and they will not do it right. And then they will just tell, oh sorry, and they will ask more. Oh my God. So that's it mga langga. So aalis na po ako. Update ko po kayo. I will take some video para malaman natin kung anong sagot niya mamaya sa akin. See you later. Hello po, Kuya. Ito yung pinaayos namin.
Ano nangyari?
Wala na. Totally. Hihintay pa kami malang. Kasi may nagpapaayos pa. Hintayin muna natin siyang matapos bago tayo makauwi. Matatagalan na naman kami nito. Inaantok pa naman ako. Oh my God. Wait lang natin.
Palitan po yan ng LCD.
Nung tiningnan mo po nung una, hindi mo siya nalaman na yun yung problema niya.
Hindi kasi buhay.
Kasi nung pag-uwi namin ng bahay, yung volume niya, pagdating namin, hindi na siya gumana. Yung volume. Yung pataas, sabi mo, i-drag siya pag pataas. Pero hindi na lumabas yung volume. Yung power na lang. Lahat ng volume nawala na. Pati yung pababa, wala nang lumalabas. Then,
Itong
kahapon ng umaga, wala na siya.
itong volume down.
Yung dalawang volume hindi na nag-a-appear. Hindi naman kami makabalik ka agad-agad.
Okay lang naman kung may balik to. Itong volume down, pwede naman ito ayusin. Ang problema kasi itong display.
Pero ang ko kuya, tanong ko, nung tinignan mo una, ba't hindi mo na nalaman na yun yung problema niya?
Hindi kasi nag-open siya eh. Nagtatouch siya, nagtatouch ng maayos eh. Hindi natin masabi na yung problema kasi nag-open eh. Ang inayos lang natin dito, charging pin, power switch, volume. Yung display, okay.
So anong nangyari dyan?
Hindi ko sigurado kung ano nangyari dito kasi pagka nilagyan siya ng bagong LCD, gumagana siya. Ayan, gumagana. Pero pagka itong sa LCD nyo, black out. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari dito. Ito kasi yung flex ng LCD. Pagka nakakabit yan, dapat mag-display na yan. Problema kasi blackout. Una, inayos natin dito, charging pin, power switch, volume. Yun lang. Kasi yung display, okay. Hindi natin masasabi kung may problema kasi gumagana eh. Natry na natin nung una eh. Hindi natin pwedeng palitan na okay. Itong volume, pwede natin itong ayusin.
Wala na siya, Day. Huwag na natin, sabi ko sa'yo.
Baka naipit to kaya nabagsak. Kasi kung kasama to sa ni-repair ko, gagawin talaga natin. Hindi naman pwede na hindi natin gawin yan kasi may warranty naman kayo. Pero yung display, hindi talaga pwede na i-abono natin to. Kasi LCD. Buti sana kung hindi rin gumagana dito sa bago. Maaaring natin masabi na may problema itong board. Kaso lang gumagana dyan.
Ay na, Day. Sige na, kuya. So, hindi nga siya naayos mga langga. I told you. Last time ko na talaga to magpaayos ng cellphone. Kasi sayang lang yung pera.
Wala tayong magagawa. Ganun talaga. Hanap na lang kami ng ano. Maganda pa kapag bumili ng bago kaysa magpapaayos. Kasi masasayang lang talaga. So last time ko na siguro itong magpaayos ng cellphone. Uwi na tayo. Dito pa kami nagpaayos. Diba? Hindi nga, sabi ko sa'yo, pag nagpaayos ka ng cellphone, mas lalo pang masisira eh. Imbis na maayos, sisira pa lalo.